Your laptop is already dead. You just don't know it yet. We spent years being told tablets were just toys, too slow, too limited, not real work machines. In 2026, that story is dead. What's good, everyone? Welcome back to Smart Invention. Today, I've got 8 tablets sitting right here, and I'm going to prove every single one can replace your laptop. Budget picks under $500, mid-range monsters around $700, 2 premium weapons that cost as much as a MacBook but do things a MacBook simply cannot. 8 tablets, 3 price tiers, 1 question. Do you actually need a laptop anymore? Let's find out.
Tier 1. Value. These give you the most for your money. No compromises where it matters. Number 1. Lenovo Tab P12 Pro. $500. $500 and it's embarrassing for the competition. 12.6-inch AMOLED at 120 Hz. Stylus in the box, no extra charge. Plug in a keyboard and a desktop-style PC mode kicks in automatically. Now the stat that broke me, 14 hours of continuous video playback. 14! That beats every iPad we tested. Not close, not barely, every single one. There's also Project Unity. Use this tablet as a wireless second monitor for your laptop. That feature costs extra on almost every competitor. Here, it's just built in. Think about what you're getting. Free stylus, 14-hour battery, second monitor capability, all for $500. The laptop companies should be nervous because for most people, this is already enough. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, under $800. 14.6 inches of dynamic AMOLED, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, quad speakers, a Bluetooth S Pen you can use as a camera remote, a presentation clicker, or a shortcut trigger. This launched as Samsung's most expensive tablet. In 2026, you can grab it for under $800 on sale. Here's the twist. Samsung just released the Tab S11 Ultra, and they removed the Bluetooth S Pen from it. On the newer, more expensive model, features went backwards. So right now, the S9 Ultra does something the S11 Ultra can't, and costs hundreds less. The older tablet wins on specs and price simultaneously. That rarely happens. If you want a massive Android screen, top-tier performance, and a fully capable stylus without paying the 2026 premium tax, the S9 Ultra is the move. Buy it before the sale ends.
Number 3. Microsoft Surface Pro 9, $700 to $900. Different energy here. This is full Windows 11 on a tablet, 13-inch display, Thunderbolt 4, a removable SSD. You can physically swap the storage chip yourself, something almost no tablet allows, and every Windows app ever made runs on this. Photoshop, AutoCAD, full Office, no workarounds, no light versions, all of it. Battery life is the honest weakness, 6 to 7 hours in real use, and the keyboard is sold separately. That stings at this price. But here's the context. You are getting a complete Windows machine in a form factor thinner than most hardcover books. The Surface Pro 9 is the last classic Intel Windows tablet before ARM took over the lineup. At today's prices, it's the most affordable full Windows device on this list, and for anyone locked into Windows software, nothing in Tier 1 touches it. Tier 2. Mid-range. Flagship chips, incredible displays, features that were premium only 2 years ago at prices that finally make sense. Number 4. Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro, $760. 38 minutes. 0 to 100%. I timed it twice because I didn't believe it the first time. This tablet charges faster than you can take a shower, and that single fact changes how you use it. No overnight charging anxiety, dead at lunch, full by the time you finish eating. Beyond that, 12.4-inch 3K display at 144 Hz, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, 6 Dolby Atmos speakers, and the first Android tablet to ship with Wi-Fi 7, which is 80% faster than Wi-Fi 6. One honest catch: 3 years of software updates compared to Samsung's 7. If you're planning to keep this tablet for 5 or 6 years, that matters. If you upgrade every 2 to 3 years anyway, it doesn't. Fastest charging on this list, best wireless speeds on this list, 144 Hz for under $800. If charging speed is your priority, nothing else comes close.
Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Tab S11, $799. Samsung killed the Plus model this year. No middle child. It's the compact 11-inch S11 or the massive Ultra. Nothing in between. Bold call. The 11-inch is stunning. Same Dimensity 9400 Plus chip as the Ultra. Dynamic AMOLED at 120 Hz. Under 500 grams. S Pen in the box. But the real story is the software commitment. 7 years of updates. Not 4, not 5, 7. That's longer than most people keep a laptop. Buy this today, and Samsung has promised it will still receive updates in 2032. No Android tablet has made that guarantee before. At $799 with flagship performance, a built-in stylus, and the longest software support window in Android history, this is the safest tablet investment on the entire list. Not the flashiest, not the cheapest, the safest. And sometimes that's exactly what you need. Number 6. OnePlus Pad 3, $699. This might be the best Android tablet ever made at this price, full stop. Snapdragon 8 Elite, the fastest mobile chip available right now. The same chip is inside Samsung's $1,000 flagship phones. In this tablet for $699. 13.2-inch 3.4K display at 144 Hz, 12,000 mAh battery delivering 2 full days of use, 8 speakers, 4 woofers, 4 tweeters, and the audio quality genuinely embarrasses tablets costing twice as much. Tom's Guide named it the best new Android tablet of 2025. One of their reviewers ditched their iPad for it and didn't look back. There's also Open Canvas. Run 3 full apps simultaneously with drag and drop between them. The closest Android has ever felt to a real desktop. Samsung charges $1,000 for a tablet with this chip. OnePlus charges $699. For the best chip, best display, and best audio at this price, it's not even a debate. If this is useful, and we're only at 6, hit subscribe. Deep dives like this every week. We test everything so you don't waste your money. Tier 3, Premium. These cost as much as a good laptop. Every penny needs to earn its place.
Number 7. Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra from $1,200.
The best display I have ever held in my hands. 14.6 inches, dynamic AMOLED 2 times, 120 Hz, anti-reflection coating, a body that is 5.1 millimeters thin, thinner than most pencils, Dimensity 9400 Plus on a 3nm process, 7 years of updates, Android 16 on day 1. But you need to know what Samsung removed. The Bluetooth S Pen, gone. The front wide-angle camera, gone. The vibration motor, gone. On a $1,200 tablet. These aren't minor spec differences. These are features that existed and Samsung took them away. If you own the S9 Ultra, do not upgrade. Every major reviewer agrees, and so do I. The S9 Ultra does more for less. If you're buying new with no trade-in and the display is your priority above everything else, there is still nothing in Android that comes close to this screen. Nothing. Just go in with your eyes open about what got cut. Number 8. Microsoft Surface Pro 11 from $1,500. Yes, it's technically a convertible. Detachable keyboard, stylus support, Windows 11. Some people call it a laptop in disguise. Fair enough. Now look at what it actually does. Snapdragon X Elite, multi-core Geekbench score of 14,327. That matches a Razer Blade 15 gaming laptop with a 14-core Intel i7 on a device under 2 pounds with a 14-hour battery. Let that land for a second. It's also a Copilot Plus PC, live captions, studio effects, Windows Recall, all processed locally on device. No other tablet on this list comes close to that. Keyboard not included. At $1,500, that's a real gripe. Full setup with keyboard and stylus runs $2,000. But here's what $2,000 buys you. The only device on this list that runs every piece of professional software ever written for Windows. No asterisk, no workaround. All of it at gaming laptop performance on a 2-pound machine with an all-day battery. Call it what you want, it gets the job done. Here's the takeaway. 5 years ago, the line was clear. Tablets consume, laptops create. That line is gone. The chips are fast enough, the screens are big enough, the software is catching up faster than anyone expected. For the first time, the question isn't, can a tablet replace my laptop? It's, why haven't I switched yet? The verdicts. Best value? Lenovo Tab P12 Pro. Free stylus, 14-hour battery, $500. No contest. Best mid-range? OnePlus Pad 3. Flagship chip, non-flagship price. Almost unfair.
Best long-term investment? Samsung Galaxy Tab S11. 7 years of updates. Safest buy on the list. Best for professionals? Microsoft Surface Pro 11. Runs your actual work software. Nothing else comes close. Best screen? Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. 14.6 inches of AMOLED. Nothing touches it. The laptop had a good run, but in 2026, the tablet has grown up. Which one would you pick? Drop it in the comments. Subscribe if you made it this far. I'm Smart Invention. See you in the next one.